do it. I'll just.
Hey guys, so today is, not today, what am I saying? This is my first vlog at uni and this is my friend Jane. and I decided to vlog today because we're going to this vegan cafe called Cafe Pyrus here at Waterloo, and we're just heading to the bus stop. But yeah, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so we finally arrived and we're both super hungry because we took like a detour on our bus. We went on like, I don't know, we went on the wrong bus supposedly, but we're here. Wait, I'll show you. So this is the burrito. And then we have this. The light is so rare. That's really good. It's like Eggos though.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like one of those like, I don't know, like those, I don't know what, like the actual like waffle thing. Yeah, but it's good.
I like the sweetness.
Yeah. So good. So we just finished our meal and it was so good, and now we're just heading back. We just have to get to our bus. But yeah, so we took the wrong bus again, and now oh, it smells bad.
Good.
Okay, and it's like raining too, but since we got off at this like random place and we're gonna try to sneak into Costco because you know Costco's awesome. But yeah, I don't know what's with like I've been like listening to my phone, but like I don't know what's wrong with this. Anyways,
Maybe I should search it up too.
yeah, I don't know, because my phone's being weird. But yeah, hopefully we can get into Costco.
When we're gone, we will
we're just waiting for our bus to come, and I'm really tired. But like when we get back, we're gonna have to study for chem and stuff because we have like a chem midterm this Wednesday. And then I'm planning to go to a fitness class later, like Zumba at 7:30. I'm so tired. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!